You can easily fix the P0131 engine code by repairing the leaking exhaust pipes. This means that the engine's control module detected a low voltage signal from the Bank 1 Sensor 1 oxygen sensor. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. Exhaust pipe. The entire exhaust system conveys burnt gases from the engine and includes one or more exhaust pipes. It is comprised of many pipes and pieces that work in conjunction to provide a way for exhaust gases to escape the engine under the vehicle. The exhaust pipes run along the undercarriage of the vehicle, eventually ending with the visible tailpipe. A faulty exhaust pipe causes a loud sound coming out from the exhaust system. When you rev up, the engine generates a strong smell in the exhaust emissions, and you may experience poor acceleration while diving. Here are two methods to fix the exhaust pipe. Paste the exhaust leaks. If you have a leak around the comer, get some exhaust putty to seal it up. First, get sandpaper and a wet wipe to clean the leaking area or better application. Stir the paste well to activate it. Apply and press the paste to seal the leaking area. After the application, don't start the engine because the positive pressure from the exhaust will blow out the paste. Let it cure for 2 to 24 hours, depending on the external temperature. Wrap up the exhaust leaks. Exhaust pipes are made out of rolled steel, and there is a welded seam on them. Like this one, the seam will often rota-leak. First, get sandpaper and a wet wipe to clean the leaking area for better application. Get the heat wrap out and put into the water for about 40 to 50 seconds to start the activation process. Then remove it and squeeze out any excess water. Wrap it around the area and overlap it a couple of inches on each side. Repeat the process 3 or 4 times. Then squeeze it to make the resin go all through it. Start the car and let it run for 30 minutes so the heat cures it and makes a permanent fix. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.